This is the Leak Fitness Ultra Quiet Bike. Here are 3 things you should know before you buy. So start with number 1, it is very easy to assemble. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to put together. When unboxing, it's usually almost already assembled. Number 2, it's very quiet, especially when using it. We've had it for at least over 5 months now, and after being used that many times, it's still quiet and it doesn't really make a loud sound when using or in use or in pedaling. Number 3, the Leak Fitness bike is very compact. You can actually just fold it up once you're finished working out or cycling. For small areas and small living spaces, it can be pretty much stored away in your closet or even in the corner of a room and not taking up much space at all. So now that you know the top 3 things you should know before buying the Leak Fitness Ultra Quiet Bike, I hope you enjoy.
Hi, my name's Brianne, and I'm here to introduce you to the Exerputic Folding Magnetic Upright Bike. Now, as a trainer, I want to let you know this is an excellent tool for shedding fat, burning calories, and increasing your cardiovascular health, all within the comfort of your own home. It is easy to store and super comfortable. All right, let's hop on and get started. First, you want to make sure that you are able to adjust those foot straps to your foot size, which is not only going to ensure comfort, but a safe ride. Starting from the ground up, you're going to be in a nice neutral position. This wide seat allows you to sit comfortably, and what I love about this bike is that you are actually in a very comfortable upright position right off the bat. You're going to grab onto the handlebars, relax your shoulders away from the ears, and keep those abs super tight. Now remember, this bike is designed for all sizes. Next, let's take a look at the monitor. Now in front of you, you have a large, easy to read, performance LCD monitor. As a trainer, there's a lot of measurables that I like to track with my workouts and my clients' workouts. In front of you, you have the ability to see your heart rate, your speed, your calorie burn, and your total time, and your distance. That allows you to not only track your workouts, but progress your workouts and hit your goals. One of my favorite features is the 8-level magnetic tension control system. This is going to allow you to challenge yourself and never get bored. But remember, as you get fitter, you got to crank up that tension to keep challenging your body. Now, as you can see, this is an absolutely incredible bike. It folds up to half its size. It's super easy to store. What are you waiting for?